Welcome everyone. I hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to discuss exercise A3 and A4 of lesson 3, that is a poem, Travel Plans. So coming to exercise A3, here the question is work with your partner, list all the places where the poet wishes to go. So as we have read the poem Travel Plans, and here the poet wishes to go to the jungle. Yes, and we have studied that the poet also wants to go in the snow, in the ocean, and even wants to visit the North Pole. So the answer for this question can be written as the poet wishes to go to the jungle, in the snow, in the ocean, and last to the North Pole. Now coming to exercise A4, that is read the extract and answer the questions that follow. We all know that what is an extract? Extract is a short passage or lines taken from the text. So here the extract is, and when I had seen all that I want to see, I hope I'd know how to turn back into me. So the question related to this extract first is write 4 things that the speaker had seen. Now we have to remember the poem Travel Plans, and we have to write down 4 things that the poet has seen. So the poet has seen a kangaroo and a grasshopper, an ocean, and a giraffe. So these are the 4 things that the poet has seen. Number 2, what does the speaker mean by turn back into me? So in the poem we have discussed that when the poet is satisfied after reading, after visiting all the places, after doing everything that he or she wants to do, he wants to turn back into me, means he wants to come back into his real form. So here it means to come back into his real form. Next question, C part. Why do you think the speaker wants to turn back into himself? So according to the poem and what we have understood in the poem, we think that the speaker wants to turn back into himself because he has seen what he wanted to see. So that's why he wants to turn back. Now coming to second extract, that is, and I'd learn to say thank you in kangaroese. So first question is, what does the speaker mean by this statement? So according to the statement, the speaker wants to thank the kangaroo in its language. Next question is, what is meant by the word kangaroese? As we have discussed in the poem, that kangaroese is the language of the kangaroo. So it means the language of a kangaroo, that is kangaroese. This term is coined by the poet himself, and he wants to thank the kangaroo in its language. Now next question, why has the poet coined this word? Means why has the poet coined this word kangaroese? So the poet has coined this word because he does not know that what is the name of the language of kangaroos. As we know that the people staying in China, they speak Chinese, France people, they speak French. So he has coined the word himself that because he doesn't know what is the language of the kangaroos known as. So this was all about exercise A3 and A4. You'll be doing this in your notebooks. Thank you so much. Have a good day.